Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Samsung A55 which is locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For the hard reset, first you guys have to connect your phone to the PC. After connecting it with the PC, you guys have to press and hold the power and volume down keys to force restart your phone, and then quickly hold on to the volume up key, and then it will go into the recovery menu. Power and volume down keys. Now as soon as the phone restarts, quickly release the volume down key and hold on to the volume up key. When the Samsung logo appears, release the power key also, but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset with the power key. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom that the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system. Now after the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. I am speeding up the video here so I can save you guys some time. Now when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.